pamilya ko, nangyayari naman po na siya, na na-apply naman talaga dito sa portray ko as Aprilyn.
Tsaka ayaw niyo naman ng honest eh. You know, you have to admit, itong business na to, ayaw natin ng mga honest na tao. We like to please people, we like to kiss ass. That's what we do here. Yun naman yung totoo eh. When we give you honesty, we tell you the truth. We tell you what we think, yung opinion namin, sabihin namin sa inyo, sabihin namin sa mga boss namin. You think it matters? You think it matters? Honestly, I'm asking you.
I think they will listen to you.
Yeah?
But of course, they still have to look at the business part
Pero
of
bakit
it.
gano'n? Ba't ang highlight lang sa lahat ng interview kung ano yung parang positive lang, ba't hindi talaga pinag-uusapan yung mga totoong issues? Like, ba't sa inyo walang nanggagaling na mga tanong na kamusta ba yung mga ang working conditions natin? Kamusta ba yung mga ganitong proseso?
Okay, thank you for ushering that in.
Diba?
Pero
parang hindi naman yung pinag-uusapan eh.
okay, sir. Thank you for
lang malaman, parang lagi yung parang positive, good vibes, parang to a point, parang lakas nyo mang brainwash eh.
Okay, sir. I will ask you that question since ang tagal mo na sa industry. Nung pumasok ba yung mga pinaglalaban nila ay sa Sierra, do you think
pinaglalaban nila?
I mean, they want short period of hours when it comes to filming? Ayaw na nila ng mga 24 hours.
Tinatanong mo lang yan because
Yeah, sir. I'm giving into your...
Pero ang totoo, hindi naman kayo interesado sa mga bagay na yan eh.
Would like to stick kasi sana on the movie to help you promote the movie because that's what we're here for. That's what we're invited for. But okay, sir, since you want that, okay then.
Okay din naman. Okay din naman.
So,
Okay din naman.
okay. So, okay, I think James have exhausted